Hey everybody, welcome. This is Kim with Crafted by Kim. I'm excited to have you guys join me today for these black and white fall DIYs. A little bit different than your traditional fall decor, but I figured I'd craft something just to get outside my comfort zone. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you see what I've got going on and you get alerted every time I post a new video. Let's get started. So for the first DIY, I actually took some of the ceramic pumpkins, 4 of them, took some white matte spray paint, took them outside, spray painted them all with a really good coat. I believe I had to use 2 coats to get them really well covered, and then just let them dry.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name.
So once they were dry, I actually just took them back inside, and I had a black paint marker that I had used for a project previously, so I decided to take the black paint marker, and I didn't really have an idea or a plan when I started this, so I just started with the paint marker and I started making lines on one of them. I made polka dots on another. So I just kind of got creative and did different designs on them as I went. So you could really do anything you want with these. Just think outside the box and be creative. So just take a look and watch through this part of the video and you'll see what I came up with.
But I could feel this way, and it's kind of strange. Don't even know your name.
So once I was done with the paint pen, I actually went back with just some black acrylic paint and filled in the ones that I just had outlined to give it some more contrast, so it would have, a little bit more black and the contrast would show out and stand out a little bit more on some of the pumpkins. For the next DIY, I made a gold and white riser, so I had something to set the cute little pumpkins on. For this project, I used one of the glass trivets from the Dollar Tree, used Rustoleum Metallic Gold. It's a bright, shiny finish spray paint. Took it outside, gave it 2 really good coats to cover it really well, and let it dry. Once the gold paint was nice and dry, I took one of the white candle holders from the Dollar Tree. I actually decided to turn it upside down so that the glue would have more to stick to. Used some E6000 with a little bit of hot glue so the top of the riser doesn't slide around while the E6000 has plenty of time to dry. In the third DIY, I make a little cute sign out of one of the wall hooks that say Simply Blessed. So the first thing I did was I took it out of the packaging and I removed the hook off of the back. Once the hook was removed, I turned the sign over, used some black acrylic paint and covered up the letters and just gave it a really good coat of black acrylic paint so that it would all match. Once the paint was dry, I went and I used my Cricut. I went on the Cricut website, found an image that was already created, so it made my job a little bit easier, and used permanent white vinyl, cut out the image so that I could use it on the little sign. After I had the image on the sign, I took 2 of the Jenga blocks or tumbling tower blocks, whatever you'd like to call them. I had already painted them black from a previous project, so it actually worked out really well. Used some hot glue, glued them together, and I turned the sign over, glued them to the back of the sign so it would stand up on its own. Once everything was finished, I put it all together, added a little bit of greenery to give it a touch of color, and this is how it turned out. I really hope everybody likes it. Like I said in my last video, I'm pretty new with the voiceovers, so bear with me, they will get better. Don't forget to subscribe so that you get notified every time I upload a video, and everybody have a great day.